We are green leaves. Here, we're trying to plant something new. Happy Loente. Hello. Video. And this is Beans and this is Puya. Hello, Puya.
Hi, hello.
Now the future is bright.
Uy, Poylo. Okay guys, today we're here to clean our small garden over here. Here's Appy. She's helping us to clean the garden. Hello Appy. Would you like to say something?
Hello.
Would you like to say something? Okay, she's so confused now. So see, guys, our beans are flowering. So hope we're going to get some beans very soon. And Puya is here. Hello Puya.
Hi, hello.
He's helping us to clean all the things. And here is a pumpkin leaf, and it's some aster leaf, and this is coriander. So we're trying to put some cow dungs for the fertilizer. And yeah, so that's pretty much for it. And here I can see some, there are some smokers out here, so they smoke a lot and throwing these filters here and there, which is very bad. Here is Appy. Okay, today's video is gonna be super short, but yeah, that's it. I'm here. I had kwai. I mean, how do you call it? How do you call in English, Appy? Kwai ka? Appy.
I don't think they have it. Oh,
How do you say in English? Kwai. Okay, Appy is so confused. Even me, I forgot. Okay, finally we could recall the name. Betelnut. Betelnut me. Okay, betelnut. So yeah, and I'm trying to help them, but in just for the sake, for the namesake, I'm trying to help them. And we can see another new member out there. Okay, here he doesn't want to come in front of the camera usually, so I'm not gonna capture him much of his pictures, or okay, this is our squash trees all around. I mean the bushes. So recently we gotta see some. Oh, hope I don't fall down. Okay, here is a small squash growing, and even here another one, and here is another one. Okay, there are a lot more. There is another one growing over here. It's so exciting. It's not the season for master leaf actually, because it's no more winter, I mean. But as we grow them, so we're just gonna plug them, and we'll try to have a lot today. Look at this. So exciting. We're all so excited. Puya.
Hi.
He's working so hard. Okay. Appy,
yeah, huh?
say bye to everyone. Appy's working so hard.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And don't forget to turn on your post notification. Till then, bye!